Ever had that moment in a relationship when words failed, and you wish you had the perfect thing to say? Communication isn't just words, it's an art. Number 1. The unexpected power of silence. Did you know silence can sometimes speak louder than words? Ever wondered why? You know those moments when words tumble and trip, leaving a mess? Let's chat about the unsung hero, silence. You see, sometimes, in the hustle of life, silence offers clarity. It's not about shutting down or turning away. It's about gifting the relationship a pause. Ever tried just sitting together, letting the world fade away, and feeling the shared heartbeat? It's a symphony. Now, your action step. Next time you're unsure of what to say, take a deep breath, embrace a few seconds of quiet, and let your presence do the talking. Number 2. Your love language, unlocking the ultimate desire. Ever dreamed of a bond so deep, it feels almost magical? What if there's a key to that dream? Hey, ever felt like you're sending love memos, but they're ending up in the universe's spam folder? Enter love languages. Everyone's got one, like a secret decoder ring for affection. Whether it's acts of service, words of affirmation, gifts, quality time, or physical touch, understanding your partner's language changes the game. Invest a little time in discovering your love language and your partner's. Number 3. Baby steps to big love, a starter's golden list. Just starting out in love? Diving into a new relationship feels like unpacking a fresh board game, doesn't it? There's excitement, a sprinkle of anxiety, and tons of potential fun. The key? Setting up the board right, from the start. Here are your game-changing moves. Active listening. When your partner speaks, don't just hear. Truly listen. It makes them feel seen and valued. Honesty, always. Even when it's uncomfortable. It's the foundation of trust. Celebrate little wins. The small milestones are just as special as the big ones. Recognize them. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries keep relationships thriving. Know your limits and respect theirs. Cultivate patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is deep connection. Let things unfold organically. Number 4. Beyond words, the new age of heart talks. Bored of the same old conversations? How about a fresh, new way to connect? Okay, picture this. A conversation where words take a back seat and emotions drive. Intrigued? See, about 93% of our communication isn't even verbal. Shocked? So were we. Here's how you can master the silent symphony. Eye contact. Those aren't just windows to the soul. They're telegraphs. Maintaining the right amount of eye contact conveys interest and empathy. Body language. Your posture, your gestures, they all whisper secrets. Stand tall, lean in slightly, and see the magic unfold. Touch. A gentle touch can speak volumes. A pat on the back or a soft hand squeeze can bridge gaps words can't. Tone and pitch. It's not always what you say, but how you say it. Keep your tone soft and understanding. Number 5. Riding the trend. Love in the digital age. Ever felt lost in this digital age of texting and emojis? How do you keep the love alive and real? So, here's a fun fact. The way we love is evolving faster than a TikTok trend. Blame it on those swanky gadgets and endless apps. But fret not, because keeping the flame alive in this digital era isn't rocket science. Here's your quick guide. Virtual dates. Can't meet often? Schedule a video call. Cook together, watch a movie, or just chat. It's the next best thing to being together. Handwritten letters. With endless texting, a handwritten note stands out. Post one or slip it in their bag. It's vintage charm 101. Digital detox. Every now and then, mute those notifications and sink into the present. Your relationship deserves undivided attention. Share playlists. Create a shared music playlist. It's like a soundtrack of your love story. Number 6. The secret language only heartbeats understand. Could there be a language your heart knows but you've never heard of? Ready for a mini treasure hunt? There exists a language, known to every heart, yet seldom spoken. Let's dive into this hushed dialect. Intuition. Ever felt a hunch, a gut feeling about your partner's mood or needs? That's intuition talking. Trust it more often. Dream sharing. Share those midnight dreams and deepest wishes. Shared rituals. Whether it's a morning coffee ritual or evening walks, these shared moments become secret codes only you two understand. Memory tokens. A doodle, a movie stub, or even a pebble. Little mementos can symbolize moments or inside jokes. Next time you feel words are just not enough, lean into this secret language. Number 7. From now to forever, the 90-day communication challenge. How long does it truly take to change the way you connect? Fancy a challenge? Alright, brace yourself. What if you could strengthen your relationship in just 90 days? Sounds like a game, doesn't it? Let's dive into the how-to. Daily compliments. Every day, find something new to appreciate about your partner. Watch their eyes light up. Weekly deep conversations. Carve out time for a soul-to-soul chat. Go beyond the everyday stuff. Fortnightly adventures. Every 2 weeks, do something neither of you has ever tried. New experiences forge stronger bonds. Monthly reflections. At month's end, discuss highs, lows, and lessons. It's like a relationship audit. Kickstart this 90-day challenge today. Think of it as a trial run for forever. As the days pass, you'll find not just a partner, but a confidant, a co-adventurer, a soulmate. Number 8. Avoiding the trap. Conversational pitfalls and how to escape them. Ever stepped into a chat quicksand? How do you pull yourself out before sinking? Let's face it, every romantic voyage has its share of stormy waters. But, with the right navigation, you can sail smoothly. Here's a compass to guide you. Avoid assumptions. Think he's angry because he's silent? Ask, don't assume. A single conversation can prevent 1,000 misunderstandings. Guard against complacency. Remember that spark when everything started? Keep the flame alive. Complacency is a slow poison. Financial transparency. Money matters can strain love. Discuss finances openly. Set joint goals. Limit outside interference. Love advice from 10 different friends? Might not be the best idea. Your relationship, your rules. Venturing into love's labyrinth. These are the pitfalls to steer clear of. With each challenge dodged, your bond solidifies. Number 9. The whisper of unsaid words, a mystery revealed. Can the unsaid be more powerful than the spoken? What if there's more to it than meets the ear? Ah, the enigma of those hushed pauses in conversations. Ever wondered what lurks behind them? Let's unravel the mystery. Silent understanding. Sometimes, silence isn't empty, it's full of understanding. Let your intuition guide you during these moments. Space to breathe. Everyone needs a moment to collect thoughts. Allow it. It's where clarity often emerges. The comfort of quiet. If you can sit together without words and feel content, cherish it. That's a sign of a deep bond. Unvoiced concerns. Occasionally, silence hides unspoken worries. Be observant. If something feels off, gently coax it out. Decoding these silent moments can unlock deeper layers of your relationship. Number 10. The ultimate connection. Crafting the dream bond. Dreamed of that fairy tale connection? What if it's closer than you think? You've got dreams, big dreams about your relationship. How about turning them into reality? Here's your canvas and brush. Dream boarding. Create a shared dream board. Pin pictures, quotes, places. Let it be a mosaic of your shared aspirations. Bucket list dates. List out things you both want to try. Stargazing? Dance class? Make every date count toward those dreams. Annual love retreat. Dedicate a weekend each year for just the two of you. Reflect, reconnect, rekindle. Affirmation ritual. Affirm your love daily. Simple phrases, whispered or written, reinforce your bond. Your dream love story? It's not up in the clouds, it's right there, waiting to be painted by you. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.